Hello friends, you are studying the coordinate geometry of class 10th. In this the exercise 7.1 question number 4 is over. Question number 4 you have finished in the distance formula. Question number 5 is given. In the question number 5 what is given? There is a 3 question number 5. There is a B, C and D are the points given. The coordinates of in the graph figure, it is given in the graph A, B, C and D. What is the coordinate of A? According to this you will write 3, 4. Coordinate of A is 3, 4. Coordinate of B is 6, 8, 6, 7. Coordinate of C is 9, 4 and 9, 4 and coordinate of D is 6, 1. Coordinate of D is 6, 1. You are getting this. And it is a figure given. So your question is given after observing the few minutes. You are seeing the ABCD is a square. So Chameli diseases, what is the class 4 friends were A, B, C and D. Champa and the Chameli walk into the classroom and after observing a few minutes, Champa and Chameli, don't you think ABCD is a square? Chameli disagrees. Using distance from find which of them is correct. Which of them is correct? What will you do? You will apply it is a square or not. How will you do? It is a given A is here, B is here, C is here and D is here. When you join all, then what are you getting? That you will see afterwards. All the coordinates. Find out AB by distance formula. Find out BC by distance formula. Find out CD by distance formula. What is the distance formula? X2 minus X1 whole square plus Y2 minus Y1 whole square. Y2 minus Y1 whole square. So here in these two you will get 6 minus 3 whole square. What will you get here? 6 minus 3 whole square plus 7 minus 4 whole square. 6 minus 2, 3. So you are getting 3 square plus 3 square. 3, 3 are 9 plus 9, 18. So 9 plus 9, 18. 9 2 is 18. 3 under root 2 you are getting this. Like this you will get the BC. For the BC you find out. What will you get when you take the BC as a distance formula? So 9 minus 6 again plus 4 minus 7. 9 minus 6 plus 4 minus 7. Again you will get the same thing. 3 root 2. BC and then CD you find out. CD is here. 6 minus 9 under root 6 minus 9 whole square plus 1 minus 4 whole square. Your answer minus 3 square 9, 3 square minus 3 square also 9. Again you will get 3 root 2. So like this you will find out AD. AD you will get, AD is also A and D. A and D 6 minus 3, 1 minus 4. 6 minus 3, 1 minus 4. So all you are getting, all the answers will be 3 root 2. All are equal. 3 root 2 you are getting, 3 root 2 you are getting, 3 root. But it may be humble. What will you do? You find out this BC, AC and BD. AC and BD you will find out. What is the AC and what is the BD? AC will be, it is a coordinate 3, 4 and it is coordinate 9, 4. So 9 minus 3 whole square, 4 minus 4 whole square. Y2 minus Y1. So what are you getting here? 6. 6 is 36 plus 0. You are getting 6. Here also you are getting BD. Coordinate of B 6 and 6. 6 minus 6, 0 plus 1 minus 7. 1 minus 7, that is minus 6. So again you are getting 6. Because AC is equal to BD, so it is square. Square only when all the sides are equal, then the square's diagonals are also equal. Question number 6 is also given based on this. Form by the following type of a quadrilateral if by the following points is the given, give the reason. -1, -2. Here 6th question is given. First part, second part, third part. What are you getting? First part, second part and third part. You are getting the question on this. Question number 6 you will see. There is a first part is totally based on question number 5. Like this you find out all the sides. A, B, C, D, 4 points are given. So you will get here square. But in the second you will get it is not forming the quadrilateral. There is some things you will get. No quadrilateral will be formed, and here no quadrilateral will be formed when you find out the sides, all the 3 points. And here last one is a you are getting a parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal and diagonals are not equal. In the third you will get opposite sides equal and diagonals not equal. Diagonals not equal means ACBD not equal, so it will be a parallelogram. You will get when the both pair of opposite sides are equal, then you will. So by the distance formula you calculate the question number 6. There is a given points, but the second one is not forming quadrilateral. This is also by distance formula you will calculate. How will you calculate this? This is all using only one formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square in under root. Question number 7 is given. In the question, find the point on the x-axis. Question number 7 is then point on x-axis. Point on x-axis means the coordinate will be x comma 0. On x-axis y will be 0, which is equidistant from 2 minus 5. 2 comma minus 5. If it is a point P, it is a point A, it is a point B. That is 2 comma 5 and minus 2 comma 9. If it is, then here it is given this point and this point, this both are equal. PA is equal to PB, it is given. It means PA square is also equal to PB square, like example number 4 I have told you. The relation is given, but here value, one example is given. PA square, so x2 minus x1, x minus 2. You can get x minus 2 square plus 0 plus 5 square whole square is equal to this one. X minus x plus 2 square in under root plus 0 minus 9 whole square. So whole square will reduce the square root. So x minus 2 square plus 25 is equal to x plus 2 square plus 81. You solve it. X square minus 4x plus 4 plus 25 is equal to x square plus 4x plus 4 plus 81. So here you can cancel x square both the side, plus 4 you can subtract, minus 4x is equal to 81 minus 25. So minus 8x is equal to x is equal to 7 minus 7. What are you getting? 7. Therefore the point is minus 7 comma 0. What are you getting the point? Minus 7 comma 0, which divide is equidistant from both the points. Question number 8. Question number 8 is given. Find the value of y. You want to find out y when a point y, which the distance between the 2 points is 10. Distance between P it is given 2 comma minus 3 and Q given 10 comma y is 10. Distance is given 10. Distance between this is given 10, means under root 10 minus 2 square plus y plus 3 square is equal to 10. It is given. Distance formula you apply. So x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, y2 means y, y1 means minus 3. So squaring both the side, you will get 8 square plus y plus 3 square. Why? This square root will be reduced and here 100. You will get here 100. There will be a so y square 8 is the 81, y square plus 6y plus 9 plus 64 minus 100 is equal to 0. 8 is the 64. So you will get y square plus 6y plus 73 minus 100. Y square plus 6y minus 27. 9 3 are 27. Middle term factor y square plus 9y minus 3y minus 27 is equal to 0. So y plus 9 in one bracket, y minus 3 is one bracket, y is equal to minus 9, y is equal to 3. So minus 9 and 3 are the answer of this. Y values of y is 2 values, minus 9 or 3. There will be 2 answers you will get. Question number 7 you have finished. Now we'll see the question number 8 is over. Question number 9. Question number 9 is given here. What is the question number 9? If Q01, Q is a point 0, 1, has the equidistance from 2 points P and R. P and R, there is a 2 point. It has equal distance. Equal distance is this. What is given? 5 comma minus 3 and 5 comma minus 3 and another is given x comma 6. Same question. What is this here? Find the value of x. Find the value of y. Same question you will get. You will get squaring same like this. What will you get? 5 minus 0 square, 5 minus 0 square plus minus 3 minus 1 square whole square is equal to x minus 0 square plus 6 minus 1 whole square. Squaring both the sides like this. So what will you get? 25 plus minus 3, 3 minus 1, minus 3 minus 4, 4 is 16 is equal to x square plus 25. X square plus 25 you will get here. So here what is the answer? 25 will be cancelled because 6 minus 1 5. X square is root 16 gives you plus minus 4. So what is the value you are getting? X is plus minus 4. Another part is given. Also find the distance QR and PR. What is the QR? QR you find out here. What is the distance QR? QR you are getting. QR is equal to under root x minus QR. What is the Q? X means plus minus 4. So any value you will write plus 4 or minus 4 minus 0. X minus 0 plus 6 minus 1 whole square. It is the x you can write plus minus 4. So any value 4 4 is 16 plus 5 5 is 25. 41. What will you get here? Plus QR is root 41 and PR. PR will be also root 41 because both are equal. So PR you will calculate 81. QR, by this you are getting PR. PR you will not 81. 5 minus 0. What is 5 minus 0? QR and what is your answer? QR and PR you find out. QR and PR. Oh, QR. QR you are getting. PR you will get. What is PR? PR is equal to x minus 5 whole square. X minus 5 whole square. 6 minus 3 plus 6 plus 3 whole square. So what is x? Plus minus 4. So two answers you will get. One time if the x is minus 4. Minus 4 minus 5 whole square plus minus 6 plus 3 9. 9 9 ja 81. 5 plus 4 9. 9 9 ja 81 plus 81 you will get 9 root 2. What is 9 root 2? If x is minus at plus 4, again from here you see if the x is plus 4, then 4 minus 5 whole square plus 81. Minus 4 will be replaced by plus 4. So 1 plus 81 you will get root 82. So there is a two answer you will get 1 2 for the PR because x has two values. Now the last question you will see what is the relation between question number 10. Question number 10, if the equidistance, like example you will see. What is the question number 10? In the relation between question number 10, relation between x and y, if x and y are equidistant from 2 points, that is 3 6 and minus 3 4. It is A, it is B, it is P. PA is equal to PB means its square will be also equal. It is given. You will find out PA, that is APRPA x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square is equal to x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square. This is in the root with whole square like this. It is in the root with whole square. Distance formula you are applying. So both the square root will be cancelled. X minus 3 square plus y minus 6 square is equal to x plus 3 square plus y minus 4 square. So apply the rule x square plus 3 to the 3 3 are 9 minus 6x y square minus plus 36 minus 12y is equal to x square plus 9 minus plus 3 3 to just 6x plus y square plus 16 minus 8y. Like this, x square y square cancel from this side, plus 9 also cancel, minus 6x from this side, minus 12y plus 8y from this side, and 36 is left here. 36, or you can take that side, 16 minus 36, minus 12x minus 4y is equal to 16 minus 6 minus 6, 0 to 20 minus 20. So what will you get here? 4 5 are 24, minus 4 common in all. So 3x plus y is equal to minus 4 is common, 520. Minus 4 cancel from both the sides. You are getting 3x plus y is equal to 5, or 3x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. It is the relation between x and y. That's all. For today, thanks.